Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is such a long time coming, but we got a lot of news for you guys. I got a whole bunch to go on the official launch of ParagonPressOn. So if you want to talk nails, get a lot of insight into something I am really excited to share with you guys. Make sure to keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because I upload 3 to 4 times a week. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, make sure to check out me and Paragon over on Instagram. I'll put the handles here and here, as well as all of those other details. So, I'm not even going to waste any more time. I want to jump right into it. Let's get into the video. Alright, so for those of you who missed my last few videos talking about it, because I did mention it in, I think, 3 videos now, Brandon and I have, as of today, officially launched our site, ParagonPressOn, where we are selling handmade, we have ready to ship, and custom press-on nails for you to easily purchase and apply and wear. This set will be available as well, because I wasn't going to, but I've gotten so much love for this set that I kind of have to put it on the site. Anyway, I'm going to go through all of the details, so let's jump right in. So the site, Paragon, is going to be super easy, and we are separating all of our nails into 2 separate categories. The first are going to be your ready to ship, which are sets that are already made, already boxed up, ready to go for you to purchase and have mailed out ASAP. We also have the availability to do custom, where if you decide you wanted something a little bit more intricate, maybe you want a solid color with a sparkly accent nail, or maybe you just want something a little bit more customized to your aesthetic, or, you know, me, 5 different accent nails, all using different types of crystals. That is 100% your vibe. I noticed, and Brandon noticed when we were looking to do this, that there were so many sites that did press-on nails, but very few of them did custom. You can go in and you can order their design in your size, but it was really difficult to go in and be like, you know what, I like that set, but instead of it being black and this peachy color, let's do it in green and purple. Let's do it in black and yellow. Let's change it up and make it our own. And they all had that availability to, like, shoot us a DM and we'll talk about it. And I personally felt like I don't like doing that. I feel like waiting for someone to respond. If I want to get something, I want to get something. So our site is going to be completely customizable, where if you go into the custom order, you will pick your size, your shape, which we'll get into how you do that in a little bit. You will pick your color or colors. You'll be able to pick any accent nails that you wanted to add in and basically build a custom set like you were on a car dealership website building out your perfect car. For us, that was very important. In addition, because a lot of times, you know, you go in and you say, ooh, I'm going to get that set that's that really pretty blue. I'm going to open this just so you can see, because the packaging does distort the color a little bit. But this is like a brilliant midnight blue. I'm absolutely obsessed with this color, and we'll be doing a set for myself in this color very shortly. But say you got something like this, but you wanted to amp it up. We will also be doing an entire collection of accent nails, where you can go in and get accent nails. They're these little cards, I call them chips, but these little cards that have accent nails, and they can be ordered in any shape, size, etc., just like the nails. So that blue set I showed you, this is a short coffin. I'm wearing the long coffin right now. It's the same basic shape, but a little bit shorter, or a lot of it shorter. Technically, you can get that middle finger, ring finger, pointer, thumb, whatever you want to do, in an accent nail design and make it a little bit more customized to yourself. Again, with the ready to ship, they are as is, and you can always add 1 or 2 press-on nail accent nails to your set if you would be interested in it, or you can just go to custom and order it so that you're getting 10 nails instead of 12, because if you order it this way, you will have some extra nails. Something else we will be offering on the site is replacement nails. I cannot tell you how many times, like, these are sturdy. I wore these for a week. I took them off, and then I ended up putting them back on. They've been on for another 3 days. So I am all about wearing and reusing your sets. They will last weeks if you are careful, but I am that person who's like closed a car door on a nail before and cracked it in half, dented it to the point where I couldn't fix it. We will be doing replacement nails so that, say you ruin your nail, you'll be able to go on and get an accent replacement shipped out super quickly. Now, something that a lot of people always ask when it comes to press-on nails is sizes. So we do have a sizing guide. Something I will recommend is that every sizing guide, like, this is how it comes, just like this, has 1 of every nail. This is the medium coffin. So you'll see I'm wearing the long coffin. You see how much longer mine is to the medium? Like you can see it is a full, like, I want to say 1/4 of an inch longer from the medium to the long. And that's the short coffin. So there are some drastic differences. The long are definitely long. But because the size do vary a little bit from size to size, I do recommend if you're going to either get a full set and then you'll know what your sizes are in that shape, or you can order a sizing guide so you can go in and get exactly what your shape will be. You measure, and then right here it has the standard sizes. So if it goes from thumb to pinky. If your thumb is a 3, your pointer is a 6, etc., 5, 7, 9, you are an extra small set. Now, I don't fit into any of these. This is actually a universal sizing thing. Every press-on nail company site, whatever I found, except for one, used this major basic sizing guide. So if you're a 04357, you are a large, and if you don't fit into that, you can always measure and then order a custom size and just say, I want it, but instead of it being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I want a 0, 2, 5, 6, 4, whatever. Totally up to you guys if you have, different shaped sizes. Like I know a friend of mine, when she was doing some measurements for her nails, I think she has 2 4s. Like these 2 fingers are the same size. That is super common. So if you don't fit into one of the standard sizes, you can always order a custom size. Now, if you did want something that's ready to ship, unfortunately, the ready-to-ship items are only done in the regular standard sizes or in a full set, which does come with 2 of every size, so you can basically build your own. Now, packaging does come like this in that little reusable box for you to store your nails. I was really tired of all of those like cardboard boxes because they dent. If anything gets on them, they're horrible to travel with. This is so much easier to travel with. But you have your 10 nails, 1 in each size, your second hand, 1 in each size, full detailed application, plus our cute little logo. All of that goes right into the reusable box, ready to go, easy to travel with, no issues there. Now, in addition to sizes, we do currently also have 6 shapes available. So I did already mention that there are short coffin as well as medium coffin, and then the ones I am wearing, which are long coffin. We also have a long stiletto available, a short almond, as well as a short oval or short round. We call it something different every time we talk about it, but it is a short round or a short oval, which are super easy, and they're actually like a little bit longer than a natural nail would be, so it's really easy to function if you want a shorter nail or you're looking for something easy. In addition, with your order, you will get a nail prep kit, which includes a mini file, a cuticle stick, a nail buffer, a alcohol wipe to sanitize both the nail and your nail bed, just to make sure there's no debris and everything is clean, as well as a nail glue. Now, all of the nails, like you see, the 5 that I've been playing with and opening and showing you guys, will get resanitized before they're shipped out. Everything is packed with gloves, alcohol wipes, sanitizing the works, so everything is super good. Now, I did receive a question in another video, which is, how do you not get the green fungus under your nails when you wear press-ons? And the answer is, sanitize before and after and use enough glue that there's no air pockets under the nail. Super simple. If I pop these off right now, there will be no green on my nails at all. I'll link a video up here that I posted about how I apply my press-on nails, so you can get full details on how I apply these. And to answer a couple of the big questions I got in that video here, number 1, if you take care of your nails, you can wear them for literally 2 weeks. If they pop off, you can re-glue them back on. Or if you're someone like me, like I've worn these for a week, took them off, cleaned them, put them back in a box, and then once I was ready to put them back on, I had a different set on, then I went back to the long ones. If you take care of them, you can wear them for a very long time. I don't want to give you like an actual like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, because it all depends on how careful you are, but the nails won't get ruined unless you are really abusing them. Now, these are definitely a little bit extra, and based on request, this will be in the site. The reason that I made this in the first place is all of these accent nails are available. That one's called Ring. Those ones are called A Bit Much. These 2 are called Solitaire. That's called just the tip. The reason I'm wearing a set like this was honestly some wear test to make sure that stones didn't fall off, to make sure that we perfected the stone procedure so that you can wear these and wash dishes and not have stones pop off. If you do lose a stone, and I'm not going to lie, I did lose a stone on this finger, pop a little bit of nail glue there, pop the stone back on, you won't have an issue. However, this nail was made in a different technique of this one, and this one, nothing popped off. So we are constantly making sure that things are perfected from a quality control issue, so you should not have any issues with stones popping off, gems having issues, the works. So the only thing I didn't touch about in this video was pricing, which I will link our site down below so you can go check everything out there. And the reason is because getting a full set with accent nails is going to be drastically different than getting one standard size in a solid color. So what I will say is we do not upcharge for a long coffin compared to short almond. A lot of sites, if you want a longer nail, you're gonna pay an upcharge. We don't do that. A solid glossy color on any shape is going to be the same from nail to nail. It'll only differentiate if you want more nails, getting a full set, or you want to go in with some bling or some other accent nail options. That's the only thing that's going to change it. Now, if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will be answering any questions you have. Everything else should be available on the website, or you can DM us over on Paragon. Brandon and I are really excited to bring you guys some amazing nails. I've been getting compliments on my nails for as long as I've been getting my nails done, and even more so since I started doing them myself, because I've really been able to play around and express myself more and do things that are a little bit more dramatic than I used to do. So I'm really excited to bring some of that to you guys. In addition to all of the customization, there will be an entire area on the site for the Brett Guy Glam collection of things you guys have seen, complimented, and enjoyed on social media. So I will be making sure to find a way to deliver to you guys exactly what you've been asking for, which is my nails on your hands. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow us over on Paragon. Check out the website, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.